Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we added another piece to our display tonight. We added a second projector and a AtmosFx Hollusion display. We ended up using the front of the snowmobile trailer. This was actually Mrs. Milo Farms' idea, and so I'll go ahead and show you how we did this. To start with, we used the AtmosFx, I believe it was called the Atmosphere, if I recall, was the card that we used. It was one of the older ones, but it has this young girl on it, this spooky young girl. I think it's called Child or Young Girl or something like that. So first of all, we got that and we loaded it onto card in the projector. Then let's go take a look. So we just left the front gate of the snowmobile trailer down, just like normal. And then we hung up a shower curtain, a clear or frosted shower curtain up in the doorway. So looking at this from the inside, I just used a piece of metal that I had lying around here. Just set it up on the ledge on this side, set it up on the ledge on the other side, used these clothespins to affix the shower curtain to it, and hung it right there in the doorway. Then, back here on the floor, you can see there's the little projector. This is just a cheapo off Amazon. I can put a link in the description if you want to pick one up. Went ahead and loaded the card, the SD card that I made in there, and it projects right on the back of the screen. The cool thing about these is you do not see the projector, and there's a lot of people still out there that haven't ever seen this and don't know how it's made. So kind of a fun display, used what we had on hand, didn't have to buy anything extra, and it turned out pretty well. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.